I've gone on and off it quite a lot.
But look at this, you're in three then.
You get really used to it when you see it. Like,
Yeah, I think middle lane are lane 2 are winning.
it is nosing through.
Then I think it's lane 3 or 4. Or lane 3 or 1, and then we're just off the.
Where are we then? What lane
We're
are we in?
far lane. We've just done our big push, I think. Next bit.
Yeah, and you just said
So Broxbourne are winning, and it's us and Cambridge for really close for second. Broxbourne have won. We can't come back from that far down in a. Well, actually, I say that. I don't think we shouldn't normally in an 8 race, but.
You got the boys?
Yeah.
Come on, Warwick! Come on, Warwick! Come on!
Go Warwick!
Come on, Warwick! Come on! Come on, Warwick! Come on, Warwick! Come on! Come on, Warwick!